Welcome to another vlog, guys. We are here in this area called Samyot. It's really easy to come here. You can take MRT. Right now we are walking to the famous place, which is a grill park. We're trying to find a shop in this area. I think this is a Suthat temple. Yeah, Suthat temple. They sell like sugar cane. Yeah. Guess what? We can't find moping, guys. Right now we decide to eat pad thai first because we asked the local people already. They said go straight and turn left, but we cannot find it. But we are so starving right now. We're gonna eat pad thai first. Looks so good as well and cheap, right? Cheap ไหม ถูกไหม ถูกไหม Yeah, so cheap.พุทราใช่ไหมคะอันนี้
ชากิน
เอาที่มันใส่พุทราอันละเท่าไหร่คะ
ใส่ไข่ไส้หวานนี่ใส่ไข่
ใช่อันนี้นะ
จะบอกเจ๊แล้วโอ้ยอยู่เนี่ย
Tommy.
ทอมมี่
Tommy.
ทอมมี่
And your name?
นนท์
No? Okay. I'm a Korean.
กินดูคุณจะติดใจต้องกลัวเลยดูไปเลยในเทพได้ไม่มี
Oh, Lama.
ร้อนไหม
บอกไม่มีชิ้นละ10กินได้เลยขายถูกที่สุดเลยขายเยอะเขาจะสวยเจริญกว่า
อร่อยค่ะ
Lama.
ไม่ใช่คีย์แบบนานวัดไม่หรอกละเกตนี่ก็สั่งไว้15 ชิ้นให้ตังค์ก็หมดแล้วเนี่ยสวัสดีครับ
หมดหรือยัง
ได้ครับเอาเท่าไหร่ดีครับครับผมได้ครับ
ไปยังไง
ชิ้นละ10เหมือนเดิมอร่อยไหมล่ะบอก
อย่างละ5
บอกใช่ไม่ต้องกลัวเลย
อร่อย
อร่อยมาก
ขายถูกที่สุดเลยไม่ได้ไม่มีเลย
แมวI went to grab some food and this is my breakfast. It's a strawberry matcha. This one my favorite shop. I usually order this a lot when I was in the room or whatever, but today I'm working from home, so just have a nice food. Look, this is like Parma ham, sweet potato. So good. Strawberry matcha. Today is Friday, so today is my birthday to work from home. With the view like this, I'm so happy. This is so lunchtime. This is Namprik. I just had my lunch in 4 o'clock. This is my Namprik. It's what is like fried pork with boiled egg and rice and little veggie. So good. Let's try. I'm so hungry. So good. Wow, this is what exactly that I want. Fried pork. This one only 100 something pork. Wow. So good. So good, my god. You see how so convenient in Thailand? You just order and the food come to your building. Crazy. Let's check what I got. The first one is a skirt. Look at the detail, so beautiful. It's like little skirt here. The second one is a skirt, a white skirt like this, and the back is this detail, so cute. This one is underwear. is this shirt. So cute, I love it. I like the style. It has the bow like this. When you wear it, you just put like this. It's so cute. You can wear with the skirt or you can wear with the jeans. It's another one is just t-shirt. You can wear with. Ooh, quite big. I pick the L size. I like to wear oversized. This pants. Another one is this one. So cute. Flip flop. So cute. Last but not least is oil serum for the hair. It smells so good. That's pretty much.